Welcome to the Pro-Fab company, where we specialize in building innovative and sustainable container houses and offices using prefab materials. Containers can be repurposed and transformed into a wide range of structures, including offices, homes, and even retail spaces. Let's understand the full process of the container development in 3D model. The first step is to measure and cut the flooring panels to fit the dimensions of the container. These pillars are typically made of steel and are an integral part of the container's framework. The roof of the container office is constructed with durable materials and built-in electrical supply to power the office's lighting and equipment. It includes 3-layer floor, including calcium sulfate board and fiber cement board. Finally, the walls made of prefab materials are installed with attached windows. Thinking PVC is covered in for sides. Using prefab materials for the floor of a container room allows for a quick and efficient installation process. After installing the secondary beams for the rooftop, the space between the beams can be filled with insulation materials, such as glass wool or rock wool, to improve energy efficiency and temperature regulation. This infographic model will provide you all the necessary details regarding the container office building from top to bottom. The roof and floor is sealed so carefully to avoid heat and leakage.